What's up guys, it's a back-to-back Galaxy S21 video. This time we have something new and something old as well. First up, the new stuff. So it's less than 24 hours since we have seen the first hands-on video of the Galaxy S21 Plus, but now same source has also come up with second video of S21 Plus versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's nothing new, I mean just a basic design comparison, but the video quality is literally garbage. I mean, why this dude is shooting it with GoPro camera? It's so distorted. Anyways, the S21 Plus versus the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Again, the bezels are way more thinner on the S21 Plus. Also in the last video I didn't notice it, but thanks to Twitter, there is now a Google feed instead of Bixby Home in the Galaxy S21. That is indeed a good thing to note. I don't know why I missed it, but Samsung has finally listened and Google Feed is back again on Samsung smartphones. Again, we don't know if it will be in US only or other markets get it as well, because it's a Snapdragon 888 powered smartphone. But let's see what will be on international S21 models. Also, we have some more details on the S Pen support of Galaxy S21 Ultra. Remember, it's the only Ultra model that will support S Pen, but it's not a full-fledged S Pen support like on the Note 20. It doesn't support any actions. It will just be used to write things and scrolling when you just get bored of scrolling through your finger. There will also be cases available for the Ultra model that will store the S Pen just like the Galaxy Tab S7. But then again, things haven't finished yet. As you will by Max said, there will be more. So subscribe to the channel, that will help me a lot and help you too as well to get updates with what happened to Samsung on their S21 phones, especially now when we are waiting for the Ultra model. So yeah, let me know what you think of the Galaxy S21 series. Let me know which model you're gonna pick when it will unveil. Let me know and I'll see you in the next one.